Hi there, welcome to ICO Investor. In today's video, we're going to do a detailed review of the platform Etoro and focus mainly on copy trading. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. This is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. Alright, so this is the website of Etoro. Etoro is a great platform, especially for somebody who is interested in copy trading. And just in a nutshell, copy trading is one of the methods of joint investment in the financial market that is gaining quick popularity. It basically allows less experienced users to subscribe to trading signal of professional traders. And once you subscribe to a trader, all trades and orders on the trading account of this trader will be copied to the account of the copier at a specific ratio. So whether you're a beginner learning the basics or you simply don't have time to watch the markets, it is also very easy for you to kind of use the other traders' expertise. The average yearly profit as per the website recorded was up by 83.7%. You can sign up for Etoro platform and you can start copying other traders at no extra charge. There are also no management fees or any other hidden cost involved, so that's amazing. To create an account with Etoro, all you have to do is click sign up and follow the process. I already have a demo account with Etoro, so I'm just going to show you a quick interface of how it works and what your dashboard would look like. So this is my profile over here. The first thing you would be required to do is verify your account so that you can start investing. When I click to the discover section, I'm gonna see all the different type of commodities I can trade, and we have a section over here also known as copy traders. So these are the famous and big guys who have been followed by a lot of people whose strategies have worked really well. So those are the ones you basically want to check out if you're copying somebody's strategy. So over here you're going to come to this filter section where you can select the traders from anywhere around the world. You can also select traders based on the commodities they invest in, whether it's cryptocurrencies or stocks or ETF. Also, you can filter out based on the gains they have, over the past period of time. So it can be 10%, 20%, whatever is your criteria. And also you can select the gains during a certain period of time. So if you want to see who has profited by 10% in the last month, you can filter it out based on that and click go. And all those people who qualify in your criteria will pop up over here. So editor's choice are basically investors recommended by Etoro that have a good success rate. For example, let's say we are going to click a profile of this guy over here. So on this page, you can see all of his strategies. You can see the statistics showing his performance over a different period of time. So this is a good way to get an idea about his strategies and his success rate. You can also take a look at other factors over here, such as average risk score over the last 7 days, the number of people that have copied his strategy. You can also see the total trades that have been made, and the average profit was 63.64%. So that's really impressive. When you scroll to the bottom, you can see the frequently traded commodities and all the trade transactions that has been made by this person here. And you can also see the profit percentage over here. So that's a good metric to take into consideration. When you click portfolio, you're going to see the amount of portfolio he has over different commodities and different markets. We also have a section over here known as feed. So over here you can just stay updated with what he has been up to. He's gonna post a lot of bunch stuff among his community, so that's a good way to get more information about the person you're copying from. He has 21,357 followers, so that's pretty impressive. 1,195 people has copied his strategy and has been really a successful one. So you can click over here and add him to your watch list, or if you want to copy his strategy, all you have to do is click copy, and then you're going to come to this page. So on this page, you have to select two things: the amount you want to allocate for a specific trader from the general portfolio, and the drawdown value upon reaching which the system must automatically stop copying. So I'm going to put my amount over here as $1,000. and I'm gonna put the amount over here as $900, meaning if the copy value drops below $900, stop copying his strategy. So over here we selected $1,000 as the amount we are depositing, and next we are going to select that we don't want to copy his strategy if the copy value drops below 90%, and we're going to put $900 over here. And when you click the copy button over here, you will automatically start copying the trades of the trader for the selected amount. And then you can view your results in the Etoro portfolio tab. And also in this same tab, you can stop copying, add or reduce the amount for copying. You can also set additional risk management criteria. It takes a bit of time to see more or less objective. And that's how copy trading works in a nutshell. So Etoro is currently one of the top rated platforms in the copy trading field, and the network actually has a huge practical value both for the beginners who want to gain access to financial markets and also for professionals who are seeking recognition and a source of additional income. You can learn how to do copy trading, or you can become a copy trader yourself very quickly, and there are a lot of upsides to it. Nevertheless, you should always remember that the excellent performance in the past does not guarantee the same outcome in the future. So always do your own due diligence and your risk management strategy before doing copy trading with any of these guys mentioned over here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.